Everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I'm super excited to bring you guys this makeup look. So if you want to see how I achieve the look, then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment "done" down below. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and as you guys know, I always use this as an eyeshadow primer because it is super full coverage and it cancels out any discoloration. And yeah, I just go in with a damp beauty sponge to blend it out, and then I set everything in place with some translucent powder, and that just helps blending eyeshadows a little bit easier. For the palette, I went in with the Sassy Siennas palette from Dose of Colors, and I absolutely love this palette because it has all the necessary shades to create a really beautiful look. It's just all mattes on the inside, and all of the shades are super creamy and pigmented, and I love all of their palettes that are in this style, or just all of their palettes in general, and this is not sponsored or anything like that. I just absolutely love their palettes. So the first shade that I went in with is the first eyeshadow, and it's like a light pink shade, and I grabbed a big fluffy brush and I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. Next, I took this light brown shade with a defined angled brush and I started to add depth in my crease. And you guys know I love using a defined angled brush because it helps keep the product exactly where you want it to be. And then I always go in with a fluffy brush to blend it out so you don't have to worry about it looking too harsh. I went in with the first shade that we put in our crease just to blend everything out, going in back and forth motions. And then I decided that I wanted to clean up the lid and I wanted it to be super sharp, like a cut crease. So I just went in with the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer once again. And I just put that all over my eyelid, and it just helps to clean up the look, and whatever eyeshadow I apply on top of it, it just pops even more. But I went ahead and set my lid with translucent powder before going into this Jelly Munch eyeshadow from ColourPop, and it's in the shade Origami, and it's a pretty vibrant yellow shade and I absolutely love it. I just packed it all over my eyelid. As you guys can see, it almost looks foiled. It's so beautiful. And for lashes, I went in with my Sofie Bella lashes, and for those of you guys that don't know, Sofie Bella is our lash brand, so we really appreciate it when you guys support us. I will always leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check it out. I went in with the style Bahama. And then I put some black pencil in my waterline. And the last thing that I did was I took that first eyeshadow that we applied in our crease and I just put that on my lower lash line just to add some dimension. And then lastly, I just applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!